Eggs, the breakfast champion, the protein powerhouse, the golden gem of nutrition. For decades, they've been praised as one of the most complete foods on the planet. Bursting with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and brain-boosting nutrients, eggs have earned their well-deserved title as a superfood. But what if I told you that your morning omelet could secretly be working against you? Yes, you heard that right. Eating eggs the wrong way, or worse, pairing them with certain foods, could be quietly sabotaging your health, increasing your risk of cancer and even dementia. Shocking, isn't it? Many of us unknowingly combine eggs with foods that neutralize their benefits or, even worse, introduce harmful toxins into our bodies. It's like mixing fire and gasoline. Looks harmless at first, but the long-term damage can be severe. So what's the deal? Which food combos should you absolutely avoid? And what are the best foods to pair with eggs to supercharge their health benefits? Stick around, because we're about to crack open the truth, one egg at a time. Before we dive into the best and worst food combinations with eggs, we need a little help from you. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest videos about nutrition and health. The 3 worst foods to eat with eggs. 1. Flour-based products, bread, pasta, and white rice. For many, the day doesn't start until the smell of eggs sizzling on a pan fills the kitchen, accompanied by a warm, crispy slice of toast. It's a classic breakfast, comforting and familiar. But what if I told you this seemingly harmless duo, eggs and bread, might be working against your health? Eggs are loaded with choline, an essential nutrient that acts like a personal bodyguard for your brain, enhancing memory, sharpening focus, and keeping inflammation at bay. Think of choline as the superhero in your breakfast. But when you introduce refined carbohydrates, like white bread, pasta, or a buttery croissant, you're essentially inviting the villain to the party. Here's the issue. Refined carbs cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, triggering a surge of sugar toxins known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These nasty compounds don't just accelerate aging. They also wreak havoc on your brain cells. Over time, this can set the stage for cognitive decline, dementia, and even Alzheimer's. It's like a tug-of-war inside your body, choline trying to protect your brain while sugar toxins try to tear it apart. And guess what? The sugar toxins often win. As if that weren't bad enough, regularly pairing eggs with refined carbs can push your insulin levels into dangerous territory, increasing the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Think of it as a slow-burning fire. Each meal with this combination adds fuel. And before you know it, you're dealing with chronic inflammation, high blood sugar, and potential long-term damage. But don't worry, there's a better way. If you can't imagine eggs without bread, swap that processed white loaf for whole grain or sprouted bread. These alternatives digest more slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes and allowing your body to fully absorb the good stuff from eggs. It's a small switch with big benefits, because your brain deserves the best protection, not a battle zone. 2. Soy products, soy milk, tofu, and soy-based meals. For many health-conscious eaters, starting the day with a protein-packed breakfast of eggs and soy milk seems like a winning strategy. After all, eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, and soy products are often marketed as a heart-healthy, high-protein alternative to dairy. But here's the kicker: this dynamic duo might not be as powerful as you think. In fact, combining eggs with soy products could quietly be sabotaging your health goals from the inside out. Soy contains a sneaky little troublemaker known as the trypsin inhibitor. This compound interferes with the body's ability to break down and absorb proteins efficiently. And guess what? Eggs, despite being one of the most complete protein sources, are particularly vulnerable to this interference. The culprit, avidin, a protein found in egg whites, which gets tangled up in this biochemical mess, preventing your body from absorbing key vitamins and minerals. Imagine sitting down to a nutritious meal, only to have half the benefits blocked before they can even do their job. Frustrating, right? But the bad news doesn't stop there. This combination doesn't just rob you of nutrients, it can also stir up digestive distress. Many people experience bloating, discomfort, or even a sluggish gut when pairing soy milk or tofu with eggs, as their bodies struggle to process these proteins effectively. It's like forcing 2 puzzle pieces together that just don't fit. And if that weren't enough to make you rethink your breakfast, let's talk hormones. Soy is rich in phytoestrogens, plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. While soy can be beneficial in moderation, consuming large amounts, especially alongside eggs, can throw your hormone balance out of whack, potentially affecting thyroid function and long-term metabolic health. So what's the smarter move? If you enjoy sipping on something while eating eggs, go for dairy milk or unsweetened nut milk instead. They don't interfere with nutrient absorption and provide a better balance of proteins and healthy fats. Remember, a small change in your morning routine can make a big difference in your long-term health. Let's make sure your breakfast works for you, not against you. 3. Apricots and dried apricots. Apricots, a juicy sweet treat packed with vitamins and antioxidants, seem like the perfect addition to any meal. But, when paired with eggs, that's where things take a turn for the worse. What seems like an innocent breakfast choice could actually send your digestive system into chaos, leaving you bloated, nauseous, and in extreme cases, doubled over in pain. The culprit? Tannins, natural compounds found in apricots that don't play nicely with eggs. These tannins interfere with the breakdown of egg proteins, making digestion sluggish and inefficient. Instead of smoothly absorbing all the rich nutrients from your meal, your stomach ends up struggling, leading to bloating, nausea, and an overall feeling of discomfort. It's like forcing your gut to process a meal with the brakes on. And it doesn't stop at just mild digestive issues. In severe cases, eating apricots and eggs together can trigger acute gastroenteritis, a nasty condition that brings on vomiting, diarrhea, and unbearable stomach cramps. If you've ever experienced food poisoning, you know it's not something you want to mess with. So, the smarter swap? Apples. Unlike apricots, apples actually aid digestion, thanks to their fiber and vitamin C content. They help your stomach process proteins efficiently while supporting gut health. Next time you're craving fruit with your eggs, reach for a crisp apple instead. It's the better choice for both your taste buds and your belly. The 3 best foods to eat with eggs. 1. Pumpkin. The ultimate brain and eye booster. When it comes to nutrition, some food pairings are a match made in heaven, and pumpkin with eggs is one of them. This duo doesn't just taste amazing, it works together to supercharge your brain, protect your eyes, and keep your digestion running smoothly. If you've never thought about adding pumpkin to your egg-based meals, it's time to start, because the benefits are simply too good to ignore. First up, let's talk about digestion. Pumpkin is loaded with fiber, which acts like a personal assistant for your gut, making sure everything moves along smoothly. Ever felt a little sluggish after eating eggs? That's because while eggs are incredibly nutrient-dense, they don't contain fiber. Pairing them with pumpkin helps your body absorb all those essential vitamins and minerals while keeping bloating and discomfort at bay. Then there's the eye-saving magic of beta-carotene, the bright orange pigment in pumpkins that transforms into vitamin A once inside your body. Vitamin A is like an insurance policy for your vision, protecting against macular degeneration, cataracts, and age-related vision loss. Combine that with eggs, which contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerhouse antioxidants that shield your retinas from damage, and you've got a recipe for long-lasting eye health. With cherry on top. Stress relief. Yes, you hear that right. Pumpkin contains natural compounds that work alongside the nutrients in eggs to calm the nervous system, ease anxiety, and reduce tension. If you've had a long, stressful day, a warm plate of pumpkin egg soup or a fluffy pumpkin omelet could be just what your body needs to relax and recharge. So, if you're looking for the perfect food to pair with your morning eggs, pumpkin should be at the top of your list. Whether roasted, mashed, or blended into a delicious soup, it's a nutritional powerhouse that brings out the best in eggs, helping your brain, eyes, and digestion all at once. 2. Cheese. Perfect calcium companion. If eggs are the ultimate protein powerhouse, then cheese is the perfect sidekick, swooping in with a generous dose of calcium to create a well-rounded, nutrient-packed meal. While eggs boast high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and brain-boosting choline, they fall a little short in the calcium department. That's where cheese steps in to save the day. First off, strong bones need both protein and calcium, and this duo delivers just that. While eggs provide the building blocks for muscle and tissue repair, cheese fortifies your bones, preventing osteoporosis and age-related bone loss. This is especially crucial for older adults, whose bones naturally become more fragile over time. But the benefits don't stop there. Cheese is a gut health champion. Thanks to the fermentation process, many cheeses contain probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your digestive system running smoothly. Pairing cheese with eggs not only makes for a delicious meal, but also enhances digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the maximum benefits from every bite. And let's not forget the taste. Whether it's a fluffy cheese omelet, a savory egg and cheese breakfast wrap, or a warm gooey frittata, adding cheese to your eggs is a simple, delicious way to boost your bone health, improve digestion, and keep your gut happy. 3. Apples. The digestion enhancer. Eggs may be packed with protein, vitamins, and brain-boosting choline. But there's one thing they noticeably lack, again: fiber. That's where apples come in, balancing the equation with their fiber-rich, digestion-enhancing magic. This duo is like a well-orchestrated symphony, working together to boost gut health, improve nutrient absorption, and even support heart health while keeping your digestion running smoothly. For starters, apples stimulate the production of gastric juices, helping your body efficiently break down and absorb the nutrients in eggs. If you've ever felt a bit sluggish or bloated after an egg-heavy meal, adding an apple to the mix can ease digestion and keep your stomach feeling light. This is especially beneficial for older adults, as digestion tends to slow with age, leading to discomfort or nutrient malabsorption. Additionally, apples are loaded with pectin fiber, which acts like a natural detox agent, flushing out bad cholesterol and harmful toxins while supporting a healthy heart and clean arteries. This means a simple apple and egg breakfast could lower your risk of heart disease and stroke, making it a heart-healthy habit worth adopting. The natural sweetness and satisfying crunch of apples provide the perfect contrast to the soft, savory texture of eggs. Whether sliced fresh, baked into an omelet, or blended into a smoothie, apples and eggs make a nutritious, delicious, and heart-friendly power pair, one that supports both your brain and body with every bite. Conclusion: small changes, big impact. The way we pair our foods isn't just about taste, it's about how well our bodies absorb nutrients, maintain energy, and fight off disease. Choosing the wrong combinations, like eggs with refined flour, soy products, or apricots, can work against your health. While pairing eggs with nutrient-rich foods like pumpkin, cheese, and apples can unlock their full potential and supercharge your well-being. The key takeaway? Small changes lead to big results. A little awareness about food interactions can go a long way in protecting your brain, improving digestion, and supporting heart health. Think of every meal as an opportunity, an investment in your long-term vitality. So why not start today? Swap out the bad pairings, embrace the good ones, and feel the difference for yourself. And if you found this article useful, share it with your family and friends. Because great health is even better when shared. Stay informed, stay healthy, and make every bite count.